Stock market update, June 14th, 2021, 7:28 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. How are you doing, my friends? Let's look at the stock market. It's been a couple days since I looked at the stock market with you. So it's Monday. We looked at it on Friday. Again, making all-time highs. Look at that, past that last bit of resistance. Quite a bit of gap between the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, and it's been going that way. Maybe it's widening up just a little bit here. Not much volume. Volume looks to be, I guess, kind of maybe average-ish. And anything of note? Nah, nothing really of note, unless that's just still this W playing out. We're not going to look at the weekly chart right now since it's only 1/5 of it, but we're about halfway through the month, so let's just take a peek at the monthly chart. Why not? Just for fun. Do it 2 years. Here it looked like we were kind of getting ready to fizzle out, but a little more fizz in that fizzle. So how about the financials? All right, Friday, the financials. Thursday, the financials sold off quite a bit. Friday, a little bit of a try to have a bullish rebound, but sold off again today. However, look, we had buyers step in, so maybe around this 50-day moving average. Maybe there's going to be a little more selling. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. But overall, financials putting a little weight on the market. How about the tech sector? Tech is up. That maybe all-time new highs for the Qs. Tech pushing it up. Small cap stocks. Kind of sideways, down day, but very evident that sideways. Nonetheless, this downward momentum is not pulling, I guess it's not pulling down the market enough. Apparently, the up momentum in the tech is pushing everything up skis. Anything else worth noting? Line chart on IWM. Might be setting up for a W. Looks like it. Maybe we're gonna have some bullishness come in. You know, the whole line chart, I'm really using it for theatrics a little bit here. Like I kind of take a look at them, but I try to use candlesticks more to determine with some for myself of what I think is going to go on. Well, with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna get this video done, get another one done, and you may or may not know, I just recently started making these videos. Maybe I'm at a full month of doing it. I'm not sure. So things are kind of changing as I'm figuring out how to incorporate this into my life without it being all of my life. And one thing that is going to be a little different on the futures and on Bitcoin is that instead of really trying to go this bar candle by day or whatever, you know, if it says the 14th here, but the candle is something different because of Eastern Standard Time, I'm throwing that out the window. That's too much BS for me to deal with, and that actually is what trading is like. Because no matter where you live, if you're watching this video, there is a chance that you are there's a chance that you're not a a professional trader or investor. And there's a chance you're watching these videos because your understanding of trading in the markets could be a little bit lower than, significantly lower than, or maybe equal to mine, and you're trying to pull in pointers. So the pointer of this example, and I personally believe a lot of success in the market, maybe more in the beginning, I'm not sure about that part, but a lot of success in the market has quite a bit to do with things outside of what does this pattern technically indicate. Anything that you see on the screen here, there is an element of trading that has nothing to do with all that stuff on the screen. It has to do with what your life is like and how you can implement this stuff into it. So, perfect example. I live in Hawaii, right? We're on Eastern Standard Time. Right now, if you live on anywhere in the East Coast or you're on Eastern Standard Time, then for you right now, it's 1:34 a.m. If you live somewhere in the same time zone of Texas, it's 12:34 a.m. If you live on like the West Coast and you're in Pacific Standard Time, it's 10:35 p.m. I'm only at 7:30. So when the stock market opens, people that live where I live, it's like either, depending on daylight savings time, it's either 4:30 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. So there's things that are going to happen with the stock market that are not convenient for your life, and it's your job to figure out how to work around those. Just like with this now, it's my job to figure out, like, it's not convenient for me. It's not convenient to be on the where my calendar says the 14th. I'm trying to make a video for the 14th, but the futures are already traded for the 15th. That's not convenient. So what do I do? I adapt. What do you need to do? You need to figure out where the parts are of trading or investing for you that are not convenient, and you need to figure out how you're going to adapt. And some of these things, no one can tell you. You have to figure it out for yourself. You know why? Because if you have kids, nobody knows besides you what time your daughter gets up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. That's something that you know. That's not something that I know. So maybe when your daughter gets up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, maybe you have to get up too, and maybe that's time you take whatever 15 minutes to put a trade on. I don't know. You got to figure stuff out. But that's the great thing, is you can do it, and your good buddy Brent here is here to help you realize that, keep you motivated, right? Because I'm motivated. If it rubs off on you, that's cool. And what would be really, really cool is to give good buddy Brent the thumbs up. Show me some love. Show me the love. Give this video the love. Give the thumbs up. Go to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. Go to the website, tradinginvestingstrategies.com. Put your email address in there. Get on the list. Please give me a reason. I'm paying for some sort of service to email. Please give me a reason to spend the money and keep spending the money. Give me a reason that I need to spend a couple hours in a day to figure out what the heck do I need to do, because I've got X amount of people on this list and they're not getting anything from me. Please help, smack me virtually in the face like that. Get on that list for me. Until then, my friends, you guys have a fantastic night, and reach out to me. Some people have already. I'm having conversations with people. Got friends. Got a friend over in the Philippines. Got a friend over, I think, in the Netherlands. Can't exactly remember what country, but using the euro. So the amount of people I'm meeting is expanding. So do the same. Okay? Let's have a conversation. Let's see what's going on with your life. See if there's a way that we can harmonize and succeed in these markets. Guys, have a fantastic night. Bye-bye.